What's up, guys? Journey with Eric and Julie here. Doing something a little different tonight. Since we can't obviously travel every day, every week. We obviously like to eat. We like to cook. We like to try different things. What we're doing today, got some red snapper. We're going to pan sear some baby spinach and some greens, and with some olive oil. And we're going to look at this baby spinach pan seared. Just gonna season it. Got some herb crusted seasoning here. Spread it with some olive oil first. Makes the seasoning stick better. Season. The olive oil going over here. Green seasoned, sauteed rather. Greens only take just a minute. It don't take very long. What we're going to do, we get these greens spinach sauteed. We got our red snapper. Red snapper is actually from Central Market. Our olive oil on here. Olive oil in the, like to use olive oil. And we got some feta cheese here. And we're going to take this baby sauteed spinach and these the feta cheese. We're going to take these skewers and we're going to make skewers, and then we're going to take it out to the grill, and we're going to put them on the grill and cook them out there, and we'll see how that turns out. And we'll make a couple little sides, but nothing major. But this is our main course, so this is what I wanted to show you guys. I still like it. No matter what seasoning I use, I still like to add a little black pepper, brown pepper. Almost always. Get some of this feta here. What we'll do is we'll take a little bit of this baby spinach. Some baby spinach and kale, actually. Super greens, as they call it. I've never made this before, but I saw it somewhere. Don't ask me where, because I don't recall. Okay, so there we've got our red snapper with our seared spinach. We've got our feta here. Take some of this feta. Just gonna put some of this. I love cheese, so I'm not going to be stingy with the cheese. If you don't like feta, I'm sure you could try something else, maybe some different type of cheese, but I think feta is going to go pretty well with this. I wonder what kind of other cheese could go well with this.
Mm-hmm.
That one there, it's pretty thick, so it's not going to close well. I got this idea after I got the snapper, so if I knew I was going to do this, I might have tried to get some longer fillets so I could roll them better, because they're actually supposed to roll them up in the greens up in the fish, but these aren't quite long enough, except this one. Alright, let's see how we can do this here. So I'm just going to roll these over, like so. It's a little harder to do this. Try not to stab my finger and lose my fillings. Go. Put a little of that cheese back in there. Okay, so that can sit just like that on the grill. This one here will be a little bit easier, so I can just fold this one up. So I think I'll do it this way. Careful, I almost got my finger. Now this one here is going to be the challenge because it's pretty thick. Not sure if it's gonna, maybe. $4.50. Got some wine. Got our food thermostat.
Thermometer.
Thermometer. Excuse me. Miss Julia over there correcting me. Now because we're doing fish, of course I don't want to get fish on the grill here. So, apologize for the background noise. I'm going to take these skewers and I'm just going to put them on this foil and let them cook that way. That way I don't have to worry about anything coming off. We got our fish done. Our thermometer, they're about a good 165 internal temperature. This is how they look when they're done. Okay, you got your feta, you got your sauteed spinach, red snapper. You can use another fish if you choose, but red snapper is what we use this time because that's what we had. And these are done, so I'm going to take these off here. And I wouldn't pick them up by the skewers because you don't want to lose some of your fish, obviously. So that's why we use the foil right there. You know, one thing I'll have to remember next time, I should have sprayed these. Maybe I could have sprayed this water with some olive oil. This is one that will stick to the foil here. So that's how these came out. Like I said, first time. Everything gets better with practice. I can get a little bit of this fish left off the oil here that I missed. Some of this feta. You can use your tongs to get some of this. Depends on if you want some of the skin or not. These took about, if you did fish in the oven, you'd do about 11 minutes. And these are thick red snappers, so these took a little bit longer. I'd say about what? 15 minutes? Mm-hmm. At 15 minutes at 450. So, here's the finished product. We're going to go ahead and make a couple little sides for this. And thanks for tuning in to Journey with Eric and Julia. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button down at the bottom. And until we can travel again, we'll post some more cooking videos or